If you plan to spruce up your home or yard anytime soon, Community Gardens, a local indoor and outdoor marketplace, can help. Tara Newbaum is live in Bastrop with the details on this. Good morning, Tara.
Good morning, Amanda. I'm here with Autumn, and a very cool spot in Bastrop that you guys have. We're in the greenhouse now, so how can the community really utilize this greenhouse?
Yeah, so this is our aquaponics system, and we're open to the community where they can buy all of their fresh greens here. We have tomatoes, we have different herbs, and it's something that you can come and experience. They can show you how it grows. We do everything without pesticides or chemicals, so it's a really healthy way to get all of your greens and your veggies.
Absolutely, and we have a little tomato portion over here. We're going to grab some of these and head on inside. You guys also have a restaurant housed in here, so this is kind of taking a new spin on farm to table, yes. Grabbing the tomatoes right off, heading on inside. So what else can people experience at Community Garden?
Yeah, so like you said, we have the restaurant, we have a smoothie and juice bar, and they do use some of the herbs and everything from our greenhouse. We also have a coffee shop, and they do crepes and coffee. It's really awesome, but they're all local family-owned businesses, so it's just really neat to be able to bring that to the community and share people's passions with everybody.
Absolutely. We have Judith here with Makoko, and this is a beautiful spread already this morning, but you guys are housed in Community Gardens, so what can people expect at your restaurant here, and what are we making this morning?
So we are making some fresh guac. We try to source as much as we can from our garden, so what you're seeing here is fresh cilantro, of course tomatoes when they're in season. We are an authentic Baja-style Mexican kitchen, so we are not Tex-Mex. We are from California, San Diego, and so it's going to be a little bit of a different style.
Okay.
It is a scratch kitchen, so our tortillas, everything that you see on the table, pretty much we're making from scratch on the daily, as well as our margaritas, the mixes for that, fresh fruit. Yeah, so come find us.
Absolutely. Looks and smells amazing. And how cool is this? You guys have, like we mentioned, the coffee shop, a little restaurant in here, juice bar, and then out back where we were earlier, the nursery, a stage. What can people experience? What do you hope that they take away from a spot like this?
Yeah, well, it's everything that we love, and so we wanted to create a place. We're called Community Gardens because we really want to be a place where the community can come together and have fun, bring the kids, bring the dogs, and just really enjoy all the fun things indoors and outdoors.
What's going to be going on at the Home and Garden Show March 7th and 8th?
Yeah, so we bring in a bunch of vendors. We have live music, we have kids activities, planting activities, we have beekeeping classes, just a lot of fun things to give you inspiration to go into the spring season.
I love that. Okay, real quick, What are these different tacos that we have here too? Let's give this guac a little taste.
So you have the Ensenada fish taco because it represents our hometown, of course, from Baja. It's a beer battered fish. Then you have chorizo and then chicken marinated in a special pineapple sauce that we make. It is all fresh. It is all made here in-house. Yeah, how's that guac?
Oh my gosh, that is fabulous. Okay. And how fun to use the tomatoes and cilantro right there from the nursery. All right, if you want more information on Community Gardens or Makoko, you can find them online. And again, the Home and Garden Show happening out here. It's March 7th and 8th, so mark your calendars, kind of check out your garden, your house, and see what you might need. And yeah, you guys dig in. We'll send it back to you guys in the studio.